Okay. So we have to do vertical circular motion, dear students. VCM. Derive an expression for difference in tension at highest and lowest position. For particle executing SHM. So let's start. So let us take a particle, okay, which is at this position, and this will be the midway position, this will be the top position. Highest, lowest, and this is your midway position. Okay. Let us say in time t, my particle does an angular displacement theta and reaches this point P. Okay, from A to B. It's a P, not B. Okay. Now, what are the forces acting on this body, dear students? That is the important part. First force will be the mass of that stone or part of the body, correct? Second will be, dear students, the tension. As you know, better tension is always directed away from the body. So this force will be the tension. And there is a force which is centrifugal force. And that centrifugal force is always directed along the radius away from the center. So this will be, dear students, your centrifugal force mv square by r, correct? Dear students, if this angle is theta, then this angle has to be theta. Let me zoom in for you. Let me draw this vector up because correct. This angle is theta, then this angle has to be theta, corresponding angle. So now, this was your mg. This angle is theta. Can I resolve this into two component? Yes, sir. ये वाला जो component हो जाएगा, that will become what? mg cos theta. And ये वाला जो component हो जाएगा क्या हो जाएगा? mg sin theta. बेटा आपको ये समझा?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I look very clearly, I have a force tension which is this way. I have a force mv square by r that is away from the center and a component of weight which is mg cos theta, correct? Now, for equilibrium condition, I can simply say that tension will be nothing but mg cos theta plus mv square by r. Are you clear with this much? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Where you know r is what? R is the radius of the circular path. Okay. Now, let us start with topmost position. Okay. We are doing a circle again so that we can do the derivation. Okay. Now, dear students, at the topmost position, the minimum velocity, if you're finding, tension becomes zero. Okay, this is your tension. This is your mv square by r. Okay. Dear students, therefore mg, let's draw the diagram. Tension plus mg cos theta will be equal to mv square by r. Understand the diagram very well. टेंशन हमेशा बॉडी के अवे रहेगी. सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स अलोंग द रेडियस अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर रहेगी. और वेट हमेशा वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड आएगा. तो मुझे पता है नीचे कितनी फोर्सेस आ रही है बेटा. दो फोर्सेस. उनका नाम क्या है? टेंशन प्लस mg. और ऊपर कितनी फोर्स है?
1.
1. व्हाट इज दैट फोर्स? mv स्क्वायर बाय आर. इसीलिए हमने इक्वेशन बनाया है टेंशन प्लस mg शुड बी इक्वल टू mv स्क्वायर बाय आर. बट टेंशन जीरो हो जाएगा क्योंकि स्ट्रिंग स्लैक हो सकता है. मिनिमम वेलोसिटी दिखाओगे तो mg विल बिकम इक्वल टू व्हाट? mv स्क्वायर बाय आर. m और m कैंसिल हो जाएगा. हम लोग टॉप पे पढ़ रहे हैं बेटा, तो एक काम कर लेते हैं. टॉप की पॉइंट का नाम दे देते हैं. लेट अस कॉल दिस पॉइंट एज पॉइंट सी. तो वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग वेलोसिटी एट पॉइंट सी. तो इफ आई प्रोसीड अहेड डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये r इधर चला जाएगा तो इट विल बिकम rg इज इक्वल टू vc स्क्वायर. सो vc विल बिकम अंडर रूट rg. करेक्ट. If I talk at bottom position, we draw the diagram, dear students. But one more thing, dear students, let us find the total energy in this case. Can I say total energy is always summation of kinetic energy and potential energy? But what is the basic formula for kinetic energy? Can you please tell me, dear students?
Half mg
Half mv square. What is the formula for potential energy, dear students?
mg
mgh. Correct. Dear students, in this case, at point C, if I'm calculating, I'll write Vc. Okay. What is the velocity which Vc which I have calculated? It is root rg ka square. Correct. mg and height. If I take this point A as my reference point, dear students, what is the distance of point C from this point? Sir, it is nothing but equal to
2
the
times
diameter, and diameter is what? 2r. Understood the point? So I can write half m. Root m square will cancel out, it will become half plus 2 mgr. If I add them together, cross multiply, 2 into 2 will become 4, 4 plus 1 become 5. So it will become 5 by 2 mrg. This is the formula for total energy. And this total energy will remain what? Same in all the cases, dear students. Now, let us proceed. At lowest point, A. Total energy will be sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. So total energy everywhere will be same, so mgr. Kinetic energy I'm going to write beta half mv square, but I'm calculating at point A, so I'll write half mv square plus potential energy. What is the formula for potential energy? mgh 5 by 2 mgr. Can you tell me what is the height of point A from the reference line? Sir, it is
0.
actually on the reference line, so it will become 0. Half mv square 5 by 2 mgr. M and M will cancel. 2 and 2 will become cancelled. So I can write VA will be equal to under root of 5 rg. So this is the velocity at point A. Perfect. Now, I'm also supposed to find the tension. So let us redraw the diagram. Okay, this is point A. Okay, one second. Tension कैसा होता है sir? Tension is always directed away from the body. Weight is always down vertically downwards. Centrifugal force is always directed along the radius, away from the center. So children, can I write tension will be mv square by r plus mg? Acha, this was one way, dear students. You can also use the general equation. What is the general equation? Tension is equal to mg cos theta plus mv square by r. Dear students, when you are at point A, the theta is 0. Visualize carefully. When you move to point B, the theta becomes how much? 90 degrees. When you move to point C, theta becomes how much beta? 180
One.
degree. अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो आप कॉस का वैल्यू भी यहाँ पे डाल के उसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, व्हाट इज द वेलोसिटी एट ए व्हिच यू हैव कैलकुलेटेड? इट इज रूट 5 आर जी का स्क्वायर आर प्लस एम जी. बेटा वो रूट एंड स्क्वायर विल कैंसिल आउट, आर एंड आर विल कैंसिल आउट. आई एम लेफ्ट विथ 5 एम जी. हियर आई एम लेफ्ट विथ एम जी. So this is the tension at lowermost position, that is at A. How much it is? 6 mg. Okay. What was the tension at topmost position? C position, it was 0. So can I say tension at highest point minus tension at lowest point, or tension at lowest point minus tension at highest point, that is TA minus TC, will be 6 mg minus 0, which will be nothing but how much? 6 mg. Okay, this is what they were supposed to find, dear students. हमने इसको find कर दिया. Now what extra we can do? हम लोग velocity at B भी निकाल सकते हैं, tension at B भी निकाल सकते हैं, उसको भी solve कर सकते हैं और आंसर निकाल सकते हैं, मतलब उसको आगे कर सकते हैं. But since they are not asking, dear students, तो हम लोग वो पूरा पार्ट करने वाले नहीं है. ठीक है, B का velocity और B का tension नहीं निकाल रहे, बट उसका भी यही तरीका है, लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी यूज करके आप निकाल सकते हैं. Are we clear with this part, dear students?